raining autumn, when it's already far too late. So high my feet was once a tower, now runs a river through my veins. But oh, you told me once I must be bold in love, or I must fake my way. And if I hold it up, and if I'm strong enough, oh, I might change someday. Oh, it's an ordinary way to feel an ordinary pain, with an extraordinary sense of shame. It's hit and run. Why am I so overpowered, oh, by everything I've done? You know I scare myself for hours, though I have never held a gun. But oh, you wrap me up, oh yeah, you wrap me up, so how can I deceive? Yeah, it's just so messed up, oh yeah, you set that up, now how can I believe? Oh, it's an ordinary way to feel an ordinary pain, with extraordinary shame like mine. It's hit and run. My voice to stone, destroyed each other's power, but no victory ever shows. But it's a privilege to be here, and it's so great to have you home. We've been dancing to the voices of 1,000 tiny ghosts, and they're screaming from the rooftops without the sight of hope. And nothing but a diamond sky can set them